Welcome to the Jamestown Distributors Workshop. Today we have a Teleflex QC2 steering cable installation going on inside. Teleflex QC2 steering cables are designed as a direct replacement for most rotary and mechanical Teleflex steering cables. Go to our blog at jamestowndistributors.com for a detailed set of instructions on how to find the length of your cable. You can also find helpful tips for a new installation on our blog as well. The first step is to remove the two bolts from the upper helm cable entry spigot. Then turn the wheel to port and the cable will fall out of the helm. Now move to the motor end of the cable and unbolt the output ram from the tiller arm tie rod. Next, unbolt the cable coupler nut for the support tube. Make sure the cable is clear and not secured to any wires. Once clear, pull the cable out of the tube. If the cable cannot be pulled due to clearance restrictions, either the engine must be removed temporarily or you must carefully enlarge the cable run. The next step is to tie a snake line to the cable with several tight knots. Trying to snake a new cable through a rigging tube without a line can be extremely difficult and sometimes impossible. As an extra precaution, make a few wraps of electrical tape around the line and tie the other end to a cleat or handrail. Pulling forward to aft, remove the steering cable. Remove the line from the old steering cable, then tie it and tape it to the replacement cable. It's also a good idea to tape the hard edges of the metal fittings for a smoother run. Feed the cable through the same tubes and runs to assure proper routing. Once the helm side of the cable emerges, use caution to not kink or bend the cable. Insert the ribbed inner cable into the helm and turn the wheel to starboard. The helm will draw in the steering cable. When the cable is completely drawn in, insert the two bolts and tighten. Make sure the cable is locked into the helm and rotate the steering wheel several times from stop to stop. Now apply a good amount of Teflon-based water-displacing grease to the output ram and insert the ram into the support tube. Tighten the cable coupler nut until it is completely drawn up and the locking ring is engaged. If you do not tighten the coupler nut all the way, it could back off and cause excessive play in the steering system. Spin the steering wheel a few rotations to extend the ram and bolt the output ram to the tiller arm tie rod. Tighten the tie rod output ram all the way and back off the nut a quarter of a turn. Finally, cycle the steering and check for excessive play or tension. And now our boat is ready for the sea. Make sure to come by our workshop again, because we always have a great project going on that can help you make your boating experience more enjoyable.